way. There's no way. There's no way. Say you swear to God. Say you swear to God. Put that on Allah. Say, put that on Allah. Say wallahi, bro. Say wallahi. Say you swear to God that just happened. I just spent $200,000. What you today?
Hey, Quandale Dingle here. I just escaped prison. I am staying at my friend Juandale Pringle's house. As I was running away from cops, I fell and scraped some of my foreskin off. A guy named Garfield Jensen bent me over in the shower while I was in prison.
What are you doing?
My baby mama Shaniqua Anderson told me to pay child support, so I gave my baby to creepy old guys.
Oh yeah.
القول قول الصوارم كي تسترد المظالم حتى الأراضين ساموا رسول أهل العزائم. القول قول الصوارم كي تسترد المظالم حتى الأراضين ساموا رسول أهل العزائم. القول قول الصوارم المظالم حتى الأراضين ساموا رسول أهل العزائم.